When you think of precious metals, what comes to mind? Gold, right? For thousands of years, it's been the ultimate status symbol. We've built kingdoms on it and fought wars for it. But what if I told you the future isn't golden? What if the next industrial revolution, the engine that will power our cities and our entire economy, is being built with a metal you probably just think of as jewelry? The story of our future isn't written in gold, it's being forged in platinum. Let's face it, we're at a turning point. Our addiction to carbon-based fuels just isn't sustainable, and the global push for clean energy is picking up speed like never before. In this new reality, the old ways of measuring value are starting to look outdated. Gold might make for a great headline as a safe investment, but it has a very limited role in industry. The future doesn't need a status symbol, it needs a workhorse. Tomorrow's industrial revolution demands a very specific element to unlock a brand new energy source. That element is platinum, a metal about 30 times rarer than gold, but on the verge of becoming infinitely more important. So, what's the big deal with this shiny metal? In a word, catalysis. Platinum is basically the master key for unlocking the hydrogen economy. It's the secret ingredient in two game-changing technologies. First, PM electrolyzers, which use electricity to split water and create clean, green hydrogen. Second, PM fuel cells, which take that hydrogen and turn it back into electricity, leaving only water behind. Platinum's unique abilities are what make the chemical reactions in both of these possible. And this isn't some far-off dream. These fuel cells are already powering trucks, buses, and providing backup power for critical buildings right now. If you're finding this look into our energy future interesting, make sure you subscribe for more on the technologies changing our world. And this isn't some small niche market. As the entire world scrambles to decarbonize, the demand for green hydrogen is set to explode. Analysts predict that by 2030, hydrogen applications alone could demand 11% of all platinum, which is nearly 900,000 ounces per year. More than 60 countries have already rolled out national hydrogen strategies, with over $300 billion in investments expected by 2030. This massive global pivot is setting up a potential supply crunch for a metal that is already incredibly scarce. We're talking about powering everything from heavy-duty trucking and shipping to making green steel and even aviation, all depending on this one single element. For years, platinum has traded for less than gold, a weird quirk considering how much rarer it is. But as the hydrogen revolution kicks into high gear, that's starting to change. Sure, gold will always have its place as a symbol of wealth, but the actual work of the future won't be built on it. It will be built on platinum, the quiet metal that's about to get very, very loud. What other materials do you think will define the next 100 years? Let me know what you think in the comments below.